Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now by preparing the phone and opening the Always-On Display menu. Make sure battery is above 20% and you can unlock the device. Once done, go to Settings, tap Display, then Always-On Display. Turn the AOD switch on and pick a simple clock or template to keep power impact low. You're doing this first because it establishes the system-level permission AOD needs. If a prompt appears asking for lock screen access, grant it so AOD can show while the screen is locked. Once AOD is enabled, customize how and when it appears. First, choose a schedule: always on, night only, or custom start and end times to save battery. Next, pick brightness levels and a clock style that's readable at a glance. Add notification icons or minimal widgets if you need alerts. Make sure to enable battery saver options like dim or limited info mode to reduce drain. These choices control visibility and power use, so balance convenience versus battery life for a reliable always-on experience. Finish by testing the setup. Lock the phone and wait 10 to 20 seconds to confirm the AOD appears. If it disappears or won't stay, make sure battery optimization isn't restricting the settings app and that lock screen permissions are granted. Also check for MIUI updates that fix AOD bugs. If problems persist, reboot the phone and, as a last step, reset AOD settings or toggle the feature off and on. That usually resolves conflicts. If not, a system update or factory settings reset may be required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.